Here's Anthony Falco, actually CC DeVille from the band Poison. Yes, and you have been watching Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nanaboozhoo, and I will see you again. Sweetie! What? What are you doing? I'm closing out the show. Thank you for watching Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo. I will see you again. Gigawaba Min. Minowa. Sweetie! What? We're just starting the show. It's not over, silly. Huh? But I had to answer the question. Is Anthony Falco, all right, you know, the most trusted name in medicine? In fact, CC DeVille. Yes, allegedly. What is going on? I don't know. You decide. You gonna believe your lion eyes? You gonna trust CC DeVille with your healthcare? I don't know. I mean, I gotta say, it makes Dr. Fauci a little cooler than I thought. But, you know, I'm not a conspiracy theorist per se. I don't know. I basically kind of believe everything I'm told. You know, on the mainstream media anyway. I don't like to, get on the internet and learn this crazy theories. They say that all of TV is they're all just actors. That everybody's an actor in the world stage. And they play different parts. So no, this isn't Anthony Falco. This is some actor who plays Anthony Falco. And this isn't CC DeVille, who I guess, I don't know, does anybody know CC DeVille's real name? All these stupid rock stars got to change their names. Ooh, I'm CC DeVille. Oh, devil? No, DeVille. I play, 3-chord pop rock from the 80s. But you tell me that's not the same guy. Oh. What do you think, sweetie? I don't know, man. They sure look alike. Yeah, they do. Have you ever seen CC DeVille and Anthony Falco in the same room? I haven't. No, I've never seen them together. Yeah. I mean, what are the odds? CC DeVille shows up at a party and they're like, hey, man, you just missed him. Anthony Falco was here. I bet you he would have liked to jam with you and Poison. And CC DeVille's like, oh, I got a feeling maybe he will. Maybe he will. Well, kids, I don't know. You tell me. I don't know. Something's up, and I don't trust it. Huh, Tracy? Tracy Wilkie's here, sweetie. Hey, you gotta be kidding me. Boozhoo, Tracy. Hello, Tracy. And Chris is here, too. Boozhoo, Chris. We got the early risers of the Boozhoo crew. What do you guys think? Anthony Falco, is he actually the lead guitarist of the band, of all bands, Poison? That's a weird connection. And I guess CC DeVille's middle name, his real name, I forget what it is, except his middle name is Anthony, or whatever his name is. I don't know. When did the world get so weird? I don't know. Was it 2012? I'm not sure. I was thinking the other day, I don't remember a thing. What happened in 2006, you guys? Is it possible that time travel is real and we just somehow jumped ahead and missed like 10 years? Maybe it's my, old age senility popping up. But, I don't know. Time seems weird. Like, not just going faster. I'm like losing track of it. What? It's 2021? How's that? Wow, the decades are just flying by. But in any case, Tracy says, looks like it to me. You know? Allegedly, they're the same person. Who alleged that? I'm alleging it. You know? Why? Why did you leave rock and roll just to become, you know, I'm not even sure what you are. About the truth. They're afraid of the truth, sweetie. Yeah, they are. You see that? They kicked us off the internet. They don't want us exposing the truth. Yeah, these guys know. These guys. This person knows. Same guy. I don't know. Allegedly. Who else is the same person? I think Katy Perry is the same as a couple of different people. Yeah, Katy Perry. That actress plays a couple of different people. I don't know. What can you trust? If you can't trust the mainstream media, and you can't trust YouTube, certainly. Like, YouTube's not mainstream, for crying out loud. I guess the only thing I trust is traditional teachings of the Anishinaabe. There you go. Gazibi geese, again a gay. Geese are good. It is floor washing day in the Ojibwe life way. This is the day we wash our floors, you guys. And yeah, I know. I hear you. A lot of people are saying, oh, vacuuming's not traditional. Our people, we never vacuumed. Your mind is colonized if you think you got to vacuum every Saturday. That's what the white man wants you to do. You know. You got to decolonize your mind. Well, I'm sorry, you guys. But sometimes the modern age has to... Sometimes our traditional ways have to be adapted into the modern life. I don't know why we have to fight about this every Saturday. I know, the Boozhoo crew is sometimes really angry about this. I know. But this is what I'm saying, you guys. You have to open your minds. Yes, we are Anishinaabe. Yes, we try to live the traditional way. We walk the red road. So vacuuming is the modern way of washing the floors. So go ahead and wash your floors. It's okay. That doesn't make you colonized. It makes you clean. Oh, sweetie. You tell him, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, Natasha. Hey, everyone. Welcome to the show. Hi. What? You're awfully quiet. I'm just sitting here. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist. So what's new in the world of cartoons? I'm thinking about drawing a new book. Oh, really? What's it going to be this year? It's going to be the Ojibwe language version of Goodnight Moon. And it's going to have you and Natasha and the dogs and Makwa. Oh, really? How far along are you in this book? I'm just thinking about it. I haven't drawn anything. So... basically, wait and see. Yep. There you have it. An exclusive from Michael Lyons himself. Coming out this Christmas. Maybe. Goodnight Moon. What is that in Ojibwe? I guess it'd be, Dibik God, Dibik Jesus? Wait, what is good night? Mino Dibik God, then moon would be Dibik Jesus. Mino Dibik God, Dibik Jesus. Mino Dibik God, Dibik Jesus. Good night, moon. That would be cool. I think people do want to see a book with Natasha and I, huh, sweetie? That'd be so cute. So it's just going to be Good Night Moon, but Natasha and me. Yep. There you go, guys. We'll keep you updated. We'll see if Michael actually starts drawing again. But that would be cool. Gizzy be geese, again a gay, geese are good. Floor washing day. But come on, let's get serious, sweetie. Today we're going to talk about the sacred DEVILLE. Can I reach the... There we go. Wait! Whoops. And there goes that. DEVILLE. Drum. Any opwagen? There's a pipe. Is that right? Opwagen? Yeah. What is a flute? You're asking me? I feel like opwagen might be a flute. Why did I call it a pipe? I always get those words mixed up. If any fluent speakers can help me out, I think opwagen is pipe. I might be wrong. But in any case, in the Ojibwe way, the drum, they say, has got a spirit. I want to do. But that's crazy. It's just a drum. It's not alive, you guys. But sometimes people say, oh yeah, my drum has a spirit. It sings. It's alive. I will feast my drum. Show. Reconnection successful. I don't know, guys. Maybe we need to shut off that router and turn it back on. It wouldn't kill us. Yeah. I'm really sorry, you guys. I don't know why that keeps shutting off. If it keeps shutting off, I'll just make this a short show. We had to come on early today because we can't be here on our regular time today. Oh, sweetie. That's right. So, DEVILLE is a drum. Opwagen is a pipe. And there's a lot of fighting that goes on around that drum. People say, oh, don't let them women sit at the drum. That is not our way. And then some of these women will say, come on, man, the women gave you the drum. You guys are a bunch of sexists. And then the other side will go, no. It's because you women, you're so powerful. We don't want you, bringing your power into the drum circle. Yeah. But, whatever. What's your position on that, sweetie? Do you think it's okay for women to sit at the drum? No. Why not? Because if you're going to follow tradition, you should follow tradition, not just follow the stuff you like and not the stuff you don't like. Yeah, there you go. But aren't you a feminist? No. Yeah, that's kind of my position too. So I'm sorry. Oh, as a sexist? You think it discriminates? Okay. Take it up with the ancestors and the elders and our traditional ways. You don't like the tradition? Well, go colonize yourself. I don't know. Yeah, I'll honor the earth, but everything else I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna pick and choose the Ojibwe teachings. It suits me. That's what you're like, Tracy. Come on, it's time to grow up. Don't pick on Tracy. Well, I don't know, man. Oh, great. Now it says no data. Well, what's the point? I don't think we're on anymore. Oh, now it says excellent connection. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm going to get out of here. There's something wrong with my internet connection. So let's call that a show, huh, sweetie? Really? Yeah. Okay, last thing. Do I have any last thing? I don't think so. I'm getting out while it gets good, Tracy. I'm going to shut off that router and turn it back on, maybe. That might help. Reboot. Yeah. Okay, Wally Bear. Wally says we should reboot. Well, Wally Bear says so. All right. We may be back in 5-10 minutes. Or we may not. Wait and see. You have been watching. Where's my song, sweetie? Right there. Here we go. Miigwech. Bizendawieg. Thank you for listening. And you have been watching Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo, the podcast that keeps crashing for some reason. So we're going to cut it short. And I will see you again. Kiga Wabamin, Menawa. Sweetie, would you mind teleporting me kind of over there? I'm going to check out the router. Okay. I'll see you later. 1 to teleport. Energize. It's not working. Did you wiggle the thing? Oh, here we go.